सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वं तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वं यद्वत्तो ये चन्द्रद्वैत्वं यद्वन्मुकुरे प्रतिबिम्बत्वं यद्वत्तो ये चन्द्रद्वैत्वं यद्वन्मुकुरे प्रतिबिम्बत्वं तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वम् स्थाणौ यद्वत् नररूपत्वं भानुकरे यद्वत्तो यत्त्वं स्थाणौ यद्वत् नररूपत्वं भानुकरे यद्वत्तो यत्त्वं तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वम् शुक्तौ यद्वत् रजतमयत्वं रज्जौ यद्वत् फणिदेहत्वं शुक्तौ यद्वत् रजतमयत्वं रज्जौ यद्वत् फणिदेहत्वं तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वम् परमहंसगुरुणा अद्वयविद्या फणिताधिकृतमायाविद्या परमहंसगुरुणा अद्वयविद्या फणिताधिकृतमायाविद्या तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वं तद्वज्जीवत्वं ब्रह्मणि तद्वज्जीवत्वं तद्वज्जीवत्वम्। In the last class, we saw that a wise person who is claiming that I am Brahman. Brahman is Ajam Advaitam, as non-dual Brahman, one who understands as oneself, is a wise person. That wise person will never have any doubt about himself or herself. That wise person will never have any doubt regarding universe and about Ishvara also. He is free from doubts regarding these three subject matters: Jiva, Jagat, Ishvara. The doubts connected to this Jiva, Ishvara and Jagat. He is free from all these doubts. How he is able to get that knowledge? Because in this Kirtana, it is said by Sadashivendra Saraswati, because of ignorance, one sees the world as world. Because of knowledge, one sees the world as Brahman. And he gives examples. In Vedanta, very often used classical examples are given in this Kriti, just as Tadvat Jivatvam Brahmani. Just as one sees, first example is Chandradvitvam Toye Yadvat Tadvat Brahmani Jivatvam. Before going to see this example, I would like to talk about the error, that is wrong perception or superimposition. Superimposition means seeing something else upon something, or seeing something as something else. We know very popular examples in our Shastra, in Vedanta. That is wrong perception or superimposition is because of ignorance, is one type of Bhranti, Brahma. Jnanam is of two types, Brahma Jnanam, Prama Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam means wrong knowledge. Prama Jnanam means right knowledge. Both are knowledge only, but one is right knowledge, another is wrong knowledge. Right knowledge is that seeing things as they are is right knowledge. Wrong knowledge means seeing things as something else. But here there is deliberate wrong perception is also there in Upasana. In Upasana, we see the turmeric powder. When we make it as a pyramid, we look at it as Vinayaka. That Vinayaka is a deliberate superimposition upon the turmeric. There is no problem. If you deliberately superimpose, there is no problem. In our Upasana pujas, we do that only. On Salagrama, we see Vishnu. On Shivalinga, we see Shiva. So these are all deliberate superimposition. But there are certain superimpositions which are caused by ignorance. They only cause the samsara problem. What are those examples? He gives Toye upon water, Chandradvitvam. We see two moons. One moon in the water, one moon in the up above the sky. So two moons we see. And there is another bucket of water. Another bucket of water you can see many moons. Yadvat, just as, just like. You see two moons. This is natural. Naturally it happens for many people. This misconception also naturally happens, one, and another one is because of ignorance it happens. Here, just as one sees two moons in the waters, similarly ignorant people sees Jivahood in Brahman. That is Brahmani, in Brahman. Upon Brahman, Jivatvam, Jivahood. Jivahood means limitation. That Jiva, I am Jiva, has got birth, death, disease. All these are all called superimposition. The Paramatma, I am mistaking myself as Jiva, the samsari. In the same Charanam, he gives second example. Yadvat Mukure Pratibimbatvam. Pratibimba means a reflection. My face reflection appears in the mirror. This is Another example, just like in the mirror, there seems the reflection of one's own face. Like that, Jivahood is seen upon Brahman. Then second charanam, Yadvat sthanau nararupatvam. Just as in the absence of proper light, that we have to supply. Manda andhakare. In the absence of proper light or in twilight, one mistake a post, sthanau. Upon the post means a tree, a trunk, which is the tree cut. When you cut the tree and the trunk you see without any branches and all. Then new branches are coming, offshoots are coming. At that time it looks like a human being, like a man, posed to be a man. Nararupatvam. Nararupa means there is a ghost or like a thief a person imagines. One sees that post as a thief or a ghost. This happens because of twilight. That is the reason. Then the fourth example, Bhanukare yadvat toyatvam. Bhanukare means when sun rays you see on the road, tar road, that sun rays appears as water. Toyatvam means waterness. That water, marriage water, you see just like in the marriage, because of sun rays, one sees wrongly, thinks there is water. Like that, Jivahood is also seen upon Brahman. Then third charanam, fifth example, Shuktau Yadvat Rajatamayatvam. These are all very well known to all of you because you are all Vedanta students. Therefore you enjoy all these examples. Rajatam means silverness, Mayatvam, silverness. Upon the Shukti, Yadvat Shuktau. Just like in the mother of pearl, one imagines there is a Jivahood in Brahman. Similarly, one imagines Jivahood in Brahman just as one imagines silver upon that mother of pearl, Shuktau. Rajjau yadvat fanidehatvam. Another very popular example. Rajjau, upon the rope. Fanideha means the body of the snake. Fanidehatvam. One mistakes a rope for a snake. Like that, Jivahood is superimposed upon Brahman wrongly because of misconception. One do not know that I am Brahman. This also happens in the twilight. That means semi-darkness. If a total light is there, one sees rope as rope. If a total darkness also, nothing is seen. But when there is half light, means a dim light, there the mistakes happen. In all these examples, Ajnanam is because of substratum. Adhisthana Ajnanam alone is the cause. Adhishthanam is Brahman. Brahman I am, Adhisthana Ajnanam leads to many effects. I am a Jiva, that feeling comes, I am a brother, I am a sister, I am a mother, I am a father. Like all these superimposed upon me, all these roles are superimposed upon oneself and rolling along with the roles. That is the samsara. Then how one can come out of all these problems? Then last charanam he says, Paramahamsa Guruna Advaya Vidya. Advaya Vidya, that Advaita Vedanta Jnanam, Advaitam Brahma, Jnanam when one attains through Paramahamsa Guruna, through that Guru who is well versed in Shastra, Shastra knowledge and able to communicate also very well, that Bhanita, that taught by the great teacher, taught by the great teachers, then what will happen? Dhikrita Maya Avidya. That Maya, delusion, Avidya means ignorance caused. Delusion, that Maya, delusion will go away. It dispels that Advaita Jnanam which we receive from the Guru. That knowledge will dispels, destroy that Maya, Avidya, ignorance. So these are all the examples, very useful for contemplation. One can analyze more and more the perception we have to see the world. Here one more point we have to note. These natural misconceptions or superimpositions naturally happens. After knowledge also they continue. But certain superimpositions they will not continue. Rajjau Sarpa Buddhihi will not continue. It is not natural. And Sthanau Nararupatvam, this is also not natural. But Suktau Rajatam Drishti naturally happens for many people. Similarly, in waters, seeing the moon also happens. So this is the point we have to note. And naturally, whatever happens, we know that this is not silver, there is no water, we know that. Another point we have to see here is, once the wise person knows this world is Brahman, even world presence continues. World appears. World will not disappear. World will not disappear. Jnani sees the world continuously, appears for him, but he will not give reality to that. Satyatva buddhi will go away. Badha will take place. Badha means negation of the reality will take place. That is the meaning of this verse. This Kriti, very, very interesting and beautiful examples. In each charanam, he gives two examples. Totally 6 examples we saw in our Shastra. These are very popular. So the teaching we have to learn from the teacher. This teaching has to be received from the teacher, then ignorance will go away. With this Tadvat Jivatvam Brahmani, Tadvat Jivatvam, the whole Vedanta he puts in just in one Kriti, how superimposition happens. Tadvat Jivatvam. Similarly, the Jivahood is seen upon Brahman. Now we have to know that I am not Jiva, I am Brahman only. I was Brahman, I am Brahman, I ever will be Brahman. We have to contemplate. Dhyayanti iti. In previous Kirtana we saw Dhyayanti, Bhajanti. We have to do this type of contemplation. Hari Om. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.